Here's what's making news on Roadshow. LIDAR is a technology that just about everyone thinks is necessary for self-driving cars to work. And one of the biggest players in the LIDAR game is Velodyne. Nikon knows this, and that's why it initially sunk $25 million into the company. But now it's going even further, having agreed to manufacture sensors for Velodyne starting at the end of this year. What's the goal of this partnership, you ask? Well, making Velodyne sensors more affordable using Nikon's manufacturing expertise. Hey, remember the CHEVY TRAX? You know, that teeny tiny little SUV that looked kind of like a roided out Spark? Well, remember it or not, CHEVY is recalling 113,000 of the little buggers over concerns that their lower control arms can break, significantly increasing the likelihood of a crash. Apparently, a bad weld is the culprit here, and fixing the problem is as simple as swapping those arms out for an updated part. The engineers at Ford Europe clearly have a ton of time on their hands, because in addition to developing a noise-canceling doghouse and a bed with lane keep assist, they've now created a shopping cart with automatic emergency braking. Their cart, or trolley if you're not fluent in American, is made of enough thin metal tubes and canvas to make a 1950s race car engineer weep with envy, and has a sensor that detects imminent impacts and applies a brake before any carnage erupts in the frozen food aisle. It's unlikely that this will ever get built, but it's cool nonetheless. Find more on these stories over at theroadshow.com. We'll talk to you tomorrow.